Are you listening? Damn.
Hello guys, this is Karina, the Krakow girl. I was thinking about what should I record the next video about when I was stopped by the guy on the street asking me if the castle is something worth to see. And then I thought to myself that I shouldn't think outside of the box too much, because the box I have is this the most amazing and the biggest gift that you receive for your birthday. So today I want to tell you a little bit about the castle, so no one has a doubt that it's worth seeing. And it's located in the city center, so it would be actually the crime to not see the castle. So not only you should visit, but in my opinion, this is where you should start exploring Krakow, because this is the beginnings of the city. First, people started settling on the hill because it was safe for them and close to the river. And then when Poland was shaping as a country, the first kings chose this place to be their seat. And it was rebuilt and redone by different kings depending on the style that was trending. Very often it was pursued by their wives or mothers. So the eternal need to redecorate your house, it was what made this place so special. And you can easily see the mix of the styles by looking at the cathedral. And this is the place where they get crowned, they get married, and also this is where the kings are buried. It still functions as a church, so if you want to get married in the place where king used to do it, come to Krakow and get married at the Wawel Cathedral. When the kings lived here, this place was very well taken care of. But after the capital was moved to Warsaw and Poland started being invaded, this was a rough time for this place as well. And now in this prestigious building, we had soldiers living and not taking very good care of this place. And for example, they would start a fire in one of the chambers, which caused a very long fire that destroyed the castle very much. And during the Nazi occupation, Hans Frank lived here with his wife, which was also very disrespectful. This building was built by the Austrian soldiers that lived here during the Poland's partition, because for those of you who don't know, at what point of our history Poland was divided as a piece of cake between Russia, Germany and Austria. And boy, we had a lot of drama going on in this country, but thankfully it's all history now. And what is interesting, there are still people living in the castle. They live in this building, and this is the people that work for the castle, and for sure the people with the coolest address in town, Wawel number 1. Wawel is great both for people with less money and time, and also for those who want to explore it more advancedly. It's nice just to walk up here, see the courtyard, see the cathedral, take a look on the view from here, but also you can see the private king's rooms. And if you want to visit, just remember it takes few hours, and also sadly a lot of paintings and furniture were stolen. It's still worth to visit, but just remember to give it more time. Some people believe that one of the 7 chakras is located here at the Wawel Castle, somewhere down, somewhere behind here. And it's a special source of a spiritual energy, and even though it's not welcomed by the authorities of the castle, you can still see people coming here, meditating, touching the wall and trying to get some of this energy for them. One of the Krakow's legend is about the dragon living in the cave at the foot of the castle. And a while ago I did a video with my friend Jimmy, so if you want to see the whole legend, please click in this link. I played a virgin eaten by the dragon. And the king defeated him according to this legend, but I can tell you in secret that he's still alive, and I boldly claim myself to be a mother of dragon. But he also has a statue here by the castle that breathes a fire every few minutes, so it's always fun for the kids to see. If you want to see Krakow Castle in all its glory, you need to get on the other side of the river. For example, to this hotel, Hotel Poleski. They organize cool parties at this rooftop. And if you want to chill with the view on the castle, go to the Hotel Forum. And for a breakfast, I recommend a nice cafe at the Manga Museum. If you want to find out more about Krakow Castle and things like that, please follow my Instagram, Krakow Girl. And thank you for watching.